Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, we're going to be talking about the latest update, most especially withdrawals on this Bounty News platform. For those of you who are participating on Bounty News, please, it is very important you listen to me and watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line. Okay, it is very important for your own good. If you know you are a participant of this platform, you are making money from this platform, please listen to what I am about to say in this video. Okay, I will be very brief. But before I proceed, guys, my name is Paki, aka Legit Boss. If this is the first time you're hearing my voice or first time you're coming across my channel, what I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every day on money making with your smartphone online. So if you're an online hustler, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest update is to hit on that subscribe button, show on your screen, and then turn on notification bell so that you'll be notified on daily basis with money making updates. Okay, for free. Then at the end of this video, for those of you who will pick interest in joining this platform today, if you have not joined this platform and you have interest in joining this platform can actually earn you a lot of money for free with zero investment. You have interest in joining, I'm going to be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the comment section of this video. You can use our WhatsApp group link. You can join our WhatsApp group. From our WhatsApp group, you can actually get link of this platform. Okay, but if you're already in my WhatsApp group, please, there will be no need of you joining again, because you joining is occupying space for others. If you know you're my group 1, please remain there. If you know you're my group 2, please remain there, because whatever I post in group 1, that is what I also post in group 2. Okay, no difference. So for those who are here to join my WhatsApp group, for those who will be joining us today to make money from this platform, our group link is there in the comment section of this video. Okay, you can use it to join us, and then we will give you the link if you're interested. Okay, so before I proceed to share with you guys the latest update on this platform, I will briefly explain what this platform is all about for the purpose of those hearing about this platform for the first time. This platform, known as Bounty News, is actually a news media platform where you can read news and you accumulate coins, and those coins you're accumulating will be converted for naira to naira for you. Then you can actually withdraw it to your bank account, either PamPay or Pay, any of the bank you are using at all. You can convert these coins and then withdraw it to it. And then I'm also going to leave a short clip on how to read news. And like I said, I want to be brief in this video. The purpose I'm making this video is to share the latest update so that all those who are participating in this platform will know the current update, so that we all can be able to cope with this update. Okay, so I will leave a short clip after this video so you will see how to read the news and earn money. Let me go straight to the point. So all you do here is to read news and earn money. Does it require to refer anybody? The answer is capital no. Whatever news you read here is whatever money you make. And then, to make the matter short, or to call the matter brief, how will I even put it? I was paid this morning. So for you guys to know that this platform is still paying, just yesterday they said that they are going to be accepting advertisements on this platform. As you can see here, you can see advertisement here. So this platform updated it yesterday. Let me just say they upgraded yesterday. And then the way we used to earn before, what we are now, we used to earn by 100% before, but what we are earning now is by 50%. Okay, for example, if you are having this 892 coin here, it should be 892 naira. But now if you're having it, what you should be having is 400 and something, which means it has been reduced by 50% of what we earned before. And now the minimum withdrawal also increased, which is the main point in this video. So when you click on withdraw now, you know that we used to withdraw the minimum of 1.5 before, but now the minimum you can withdraw is 2,500 coins for your first time you are placing your withdrawal. Okay, then the second time you are going to place your withdrawal, you should accumulate up to 5,000 coins before you can withdraw it. Is this platform legit? The answer is capital yes. The platform is 100% legit, and they are paying. When you come to this platform, you will never see any option like invest, deposit. The only option you will see there is to read news and place your withdrawal. Okay, so that is it, guys. Like I said, I'm going to leave a short clip on how to read the news, and then you can also see the conversion rate here. So you can see the total number of coins I'm having here is 892, and you can see the equivalent now. Like I said, what we are getting now is 50%. Do you understand? What we are getting now is 50%. And then again, there is some question I want to answer in this video. When you come to task, when you read news, and then you are able to read this news here, you are to read 20 news every day. So please, when you finish reading this news, it means you are done for the day. You should come back the next day. Every 24 hours, you come back, and then you also sign in. You are going to see how that is being done on the short clip you are going to see on how to read news. So that is it, guys. So the new update is that the minimum withdrawal has increased, and then the what is it again? What do I want to say? The earning has been reduced by 50%. So these two things, and then for those creating multiple accounts, you are using the same IP address, you are not using different devices. I addressed that yesterday. If you want to loot, if you want to create multiple accounts, you should do it with different smartphones, or you should do it using VPN. If VPN works for you, you can have multiple accounts. And then if you are placing withdrawal, you know that you are placing withdrawal with different bank account. Also, the account will be your name, but it should be different account number, but the same account name. With that, you are good to go. A lot of people have been making money on this platform. Me myself making this video, I'm a living testimony, and those who are in my WhatsApp group, they are also a living testimony, because it gives me joy whenever I bring updates on YouTube and I see that people benefit from it. Nothing gives me joy like that. And then I'm always motivated to carry out more researches, look for more updates so that we can be making this money. Okay, that's why I said, if you know you're not following me on this channel, just know that you are missing a lot. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out. Now kindly watch on how to do the task, how to read the news and earn money on this platform. Okay, please take note, you need a minimum of 2,500 coins to withdraw, which can be completed within the space of, it should be like highest 7 to 8 days, it should or 10 days, you should complete. Okay, so that's just it, guys. As simple as that. No investment. So watch how to read news and earn. Click on task, you see read now. So every blessed day you read this news. Every blessed day you are going to read this news. Okay, and each coin is 1 naira. Each coin is equivalent to 1 naira. So if you are having 13,000 coin, you're having 13,000 naira. And if you're having 40,000 coin, you're having 40,000 naira. So any amount of coin you are having, the equivalent is in naira. Please take note. So click on read now. When you click on read now, first of all, every day you sign in. Click on sign in daily to receive 30 to 50 coins. Okay, so you receive before you read every day, this is what you should do. Click on person, click on sign in daily. You know, I was having 75 before, but now I'm having 105. So click on sign in daily. Every day when you click on sign in daily, you are going to be given 15 coin to 90 coins. So you can see it here. You can see the calendar here on how you earn the coin. So that's it, guys. So now click on task. When you click on task, you can click on read now. So when you click on read now, click on I've already read. Scroll down. So this is the news now. They are going to bring you to their home. So any of this news here, just click on it. So when you click on it, let's refresh. Okay, this one no record. Let's check. Let's choose another one. So let's click on this one. So when you are reading, you just read it for 30 seconds. You see this time here is going to be counting. It's going to be counting. It's going to be counting as you are scrolling down. Just be scrolling down. As you're scrolling down reading the news, it's going to be counting. Once it reaches, it's going to show you completed. So this is how to earn on Bounty News. Okay. Then once the time finishes, you click on this top up button here to like the news. So the money is going to be credited to you. I'm going to show you how to claim the money which you have read on this news. You just have to wait patiently for the next 30 seconds. Please take note that you must scroll down for this time to start counting. Okay, so you can see now finish reading. You can see completed reading. Then click on this thumb up here to like the news. So then go back. So when you go back, click on task again. Then you can see this place here now, available now. I finished reading this news, available now. Click on available. So you can see, click on finish. So that's it. You can see request in progress. So they have added the earning for me here. So they have added the earning for me here. Remember, I was having 105 and they have added the earning for me here. So let us read news again. So you read news again. So you choose another news. Click on this cancel option here. So we are going to read another news now. So you scroll down. When you are scrolling down, the time will be reading for you. So you are scrolling down. So you are reading this news on social media platform to earn money for free. Please take note, I said it is totally free, no investment, all for free. Okay, you are reading just 30 seconds reading of 30 seconds news, and then you are earning money with your smartphone for free. So you can see, so you just wait patiently for the time to finish. So remember, whenever you finish reading, you have to go back to task and then click on available to claim the coin. Okay, so now you can see completed reading, then click on thumb up like. So you like it and then you go back. So go back, click on task again. Then you can see it here available again. Click on available. Then click on finish. So when you click on finish, request in progress, you can see I'm now having 150 coins, which